All right, everybody, we're playing some riches, railroad riches. So let's see if we can hit something amazing on this one. I just sat down on this machine. I have a ticket for $2,600 in the machine. Let's start with 2-cent denomination. Let's see if we can hit something amazing on this one. The grand is $5,300. The major's $590. So you never know. Nothing is impossible. You could win something amazing on this one. So yeah, so let's try 2-cent denomination. Let's start out with turn the volume up here. See if we can hit something. I tried this game on a what is it? Yeah, I tried this game on a live stream here. I couldn't really get anything amazing to happen on it on the live stream. So let's do some $3 bets. Well, we have a $2,500 in the machine, basically. So we're gonna do some $3 bets. See if we can hit anything on this one. That was a 380 win. I think you need 6 of these symbols here for the hold and spin feature. I don't know, guys. I just sat down on this machine, so let's see what. I tried this on a live stream, yeah, with Debbie Love Slots, and I didn't really do too well on it. Come on, bonus! Ah, come on. All right, let's change up the denominations real quick. Let's go 10-cent denomination. The minimum bet's $7.50 on this one. We're gonna try $7.50 bets, a few of them. Let's see if we get anything on this, guys. $2,600 in the machine. Potential hit something is absolutely amazing here. Come on. This machine does have a random feature. I know it does. All right, the coins are low on this one. All right, let's go all the way down to 1-cent denomination, 375 bets. I think we'll hit something on this one. People have been winning on this one on a 375 bet pretty much all day here. So I don't know. Sometimes betting bigger doesn't help, so let's try it. We'll try a little of this 375 bet. See if we get that random feature or something to happen on this one. You just never know, man. You never know. All right, come on now. All right, take a look up there. There is the train right there. That's the train. So we have $24.94 left in the machine. Let's see if we can hit something else on this one. Oh, that was a $25 coin there. Oh, unbelievable, guys. We're doing max bet 375. All right, let's see if I can rapid fire a few of these as well. I'm gonna stay on this one for a while because I've been seeing people winning on it a lot today. So bonus, come on. Nope. Oh, we got all aboard feature. Oh, we got a little something on that one. 41.25 win. Oh yeah. Come on, not bad. We got $24.94 left in the machine. All right, we got a huge ticket in the machine, guys. Oh. All right, that's a $12 win. All right. So we're doing the max bet on 1-cent denomination. 375 bets. Say, maybe it'll want to pay out on the 1-cent denomination. Bigger denomination. You never know. See if we get that train feature. Oh, here we go. I rapid fired it. All aboard! Oh yeah! Come on now, guys. All right. What was that? Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. Oh! Okay. All right, we got it. We got the hold and spin feature, guys. Oh, yeah! All right, railroad riches feature. All right, come on now. Railroad riches. 1950? All right. Okay, let me back up a little bit here so I can record it for you guys. I'm backing up a little bit here. right, not bad, not bad. Here we go. Oh, okay. All right, come on now. All right, one more spin. Come on. All right, we got something else there. Come on, come on. Sorry, guys, I got to reach around this machine, or reach around the camera here. Oh, we got, what is that? Oh! Okay, it opens up the next wheel for us. Okay. All right, not bad, not bad. Oh, yeah! Come on. Let's open up the next feature for us. All right, not bad on a 375 bet. There we go, guys. Come on, let's go get this one. Oh, we got the last one open up. All right, we got the top one opened up there. One more to trigger the gold train bonus. All right, let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's see if we can trigger that gold train bonus. I'm trying not to get the other people on the camera, but that's okay. Come on. Oh, we got it. We got it, guys. Oh, yeah. Gold train bonus starts after feature. All right, all right. Well, that's all right. Gold train bonus starts after feature. Come on now. Come on, come on. Sorry, guys. I'm hitting the button to film it at a weird angle here. Come on. Oh, another. Oh, the gold train. What is that? We got a. Oh! We got a green train. What is that? I have no clue what that is. Come on. Okay. All right. It's $5. Oh yeah! Come on now. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, $47.50. Okay. Come on. Another one? All right, one more spin. Come on, one more to it. That's it, guys. I think that's it. Oh, it did. It give me a free. Oh, it gave me a coin. That was cool. It gave me a coin all by itself. Come on, come on, one more. Oh, come on now, one more to it. Oh, $50. That's all right, $50. Come on, come on. We got people all around us, guys. We got a huge crowd all around us. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, save it. Ah. All right, let's see what's going to happen. I have no clue what's going to happen. Okay. Not bad, guys. Wow, we want a couple $100? Oh, yeah! $187.25. All right, Railroad Riches. Okay. All right, not bad. Decent game. Gold train bonus triggered. Oh, we got a gold train bonus. What is this? I have no clue what this is. All right, guys. I have no clue what this is all about. Okay. Oh, $50. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's all right. $327. Okay. 375 bet. That's about 100 times our bet. Okay. All right, that was amazing, guys. Wow. All right. This is big win. Oh, yeah. Rare World Riches. Well, if you see this game, you got to try it, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. $325 win. I didn't even expect it to be that. Unbelievable. 327.25. Unbelievable on a 375 bet. Wow. Okay. Well, now we have 2,800 in the machine. We'll do a few more spins. All right, we got to do a few more spins. Just because we had that amazing win, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Wow, what an amazing win here. Unbelievable, guys. I didn't know this machine could pay like this. All right, come on now. I played this on a live stream, and it didn't really do too well. That was a $15 win right there. Yeah, I played it on a live stream, and it didn't really do too well, but I guess it's doing better on the 1 cent denomination. Wow. Okay. Well, let's see if we get a backup bonus here. All right, we got 2,800 in the machine. That's definitely more than we came over here with. So I'll do a few more spins. Rapid fire a few of these. 375 bets. We got 2,700 in the machine, so we can't complain. We got a rapid fire a few of them. Ah! All right. All right, come on now. Let's see if we get one more bonus, guys. Crazy. All right, let's go to 5 cent denomination. Let's do some 375 bets, 5 cent denomination. Let's see if we get anything on this one. It's 11.25 win. Come on now. All right, we'll do a few more spins for this video. Well, we might as well. We got 2,700 bucks in the machine, so come on. We got a rapid fire, a few 375 bets. I had no idea this machine could pay like that, guys. Unbelievable. That was awesome. That was completely awesome. Oh, that was wow, that was like a $200 coin there. Unbelievable, man. Wow. Rapid fire and do a few of these guys, and then I'm going to lower my bet just so you know what I'm going to do. We got 26.45 in the machine. Just trying to see if we get some on the nickel denomination. Oh, here we go. We got a little feature here. All right, we got the feature, guys. We got a little feature. All right, here we go. Not bad. All right, we got 2,600 bucks in the machine. Well, we got railroad Riches speed feature. Oh yeah! All right, so that one up there is like $20-some. All right, we got the hold and spin feature, just like we had before. Not bad. Well, at least we're winning the hold and spin feature. Let's see if we get another train here. Oh, off we go. All right, let's get another train. We got the train, guys. Oh, yeah! And the gold one. I don't know what that blue one means, but that's all right. We'll figure it out. Oh, that's like 50 bucks right there in the middle, guys. All right, off we go, he said. All right, let's see if we get something amazing on the All right, come on now. Let's see if we can hit another train here. Come on. Oh, yeah! All right, I'm not sure what that green... Oh! All right, come on. I'm not sure what that means. We'll figure it out. All right, 30, 20. Come on. Come on. Do better than that. Come on. Come on. Come on, do better. Something with words or mini or something? All right, that one did better on the 1 cent denomination, guys. All right, we got a couple more spins remaining here. Let's see if we can do a couple more spins. All right, come on. See if we can land anything else. Oh, yeah. Come on, we landed something else and we got 3 more spins. Come on. All right, let's see if we can land another train. We want those trains, guys. We want those trains. All right, come on. All right, come on now. We want a train. That's what we really want. We want a train. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah! We got the golden train right there. Okay. All right, come on. Increase all the other numbers. Oh, come on. One more train. We need one more train. Oh, that was it, guys. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Look at all those trains up there that's all we didn't get. That's okay. All right, we still got 2,600 in the machine. Okay, not bad. Okay. Railroad Riches, guys. Well, you seen it. Oh, yeah! All right, hit the button. I hit the button, guys. We don't need all that celebration. All right, here. $77 win. We got $26.70. Wow. $26.78 in the machine. Unbelievable. We'll do a few more spins. Wow, that was a $17.75 win on a $3.75 bet. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. It's a fun game, man. All right. I'll do 3 more spins. Here we go. Oh, come on now. It's a random feature, guys. All right, $27.25. We got $2,700 in the machine. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. $18 win on $3.75 bet. Oh, that was a 7,000 credits. Wow. 350 bucks, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. That's $26.25 win. I'm trying to end this video, guys, but we're doing amazing on this. All right, let's raise our bet a little bit. $7.50 bet. 5 cent denomination. See if we get anything on this one. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. $7.50 bet, guys. $7.50 bet. Ah, we couldn't get the bonus on that one. Alright. We're trying it. $7.50 bet. Yes! $7.50 bet. Oh, yeah! On a $7.50 bet bonus? A $7.50 bet bonus? Oh, yeah! Come on now! Railroad Riches. All right, here we go. Come on now, let's do this. $7.50 bet bonus. Unbelievable. Nothing. Oh, come on now. Nothing on that one? Come on. Really? 2 more free games remaining on the $7.50 bet bonus, guys. Come on. Unbelievable. Wow. What? $15 win? Oh, are you kidding me? That's horrible, guys. $15 win on a $7.50 bet bonus. Unbelievable. Wow. That $15 win, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. All right, I'll rapid fire a few more $7.50 bet bonus. Oh, $7.50 bet bonus. Here we go. Nothing on that one. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. All right, let's raise our bet. 11.25. All right, we're gonna go up a little bit more. Well, we were betting 7.50. Now we're doing 11.25. See if we win anything on this one. Come on now. Come on now. You never know. You never know. That was a 33.75 win on that one. We got 23.67 in the machine. All right, let's do a max bet. 18.75 max bet. Oh, 18.75. 18.75 max bet, guys. Come on. $31 win. Come on now on 18.75 max bet, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Well, we did a few max bets. Threw it in there. Unbelievable, guys. I'm still max betting. That was a 16.73. Wow. Wow. All right, that was a $45 win. Let's go 10-cent denomination. Let's do some $15 bets. It's the second bet up on 10-cent denomination. Oh, here we go. Here we go. $15 bet, guys. What was that? What's that? What happened? I have no clue what happened, guys. Oh, here we go. Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Ah! All right, there we go. On a $15 bet, guys. Okay. All right, on a $15 bet, 10-cent denomination. $78. Okay. $78. I got a lady behind me, guys. All right, let's hope for something amazing on this one. Well, I stayed recording. We got 3 spins remaining. Let's hope we get something amazing. All right, that's another $20 there. Oh, come on now. All right, another $4. Oh, that was $2. Okay, $2, $4, $10. Okay, come on now. Come on, we need a train, guys. Oh, yeah! Come on now. Come on now. $93. Okay, okay. All right, now there we go on a $10 bet. Come on, on a $15 bet. 10-cent denomination. All right, come on now. We need one train, guys. One train. Come on, one train. Oh, come on, one train. One train, guys. One train. 2 spins remaining. Come on. Oh, come on, one train. All right, guys, here we go. Unbelievable. All right, there we go. All right, 19.50 win. Okay, not too bad. Oh, it's a $15 win. Okay. All right, that's a $195 win. So let's see what we're up to now. We should be up to... All right, so we got $2,400 in the machine. All right. Unbelievable, guys. All right, we'll do a few more spins on this one. Let's do 750 bets. 750 bet is the minimum bet you can do on 10-cent denomination. We'll do a few more of these. And then we'll call it quits on that one. Yeah, unbelievable, guys. It's been an amazing run today, and it's been a fun game. $36 win. All right, $23.65 we have in the machine. Yeah, I thought it would have paid a lot more than that. That's all right. I'm gonna probably film another video on this one on a lower denomination, maybe 1 cent denomination or something like that. All right, we got $2,200 left in the machine. Wow, nothing on that one. This has been fun, guys. This has absolutely been fun. Oh, look at that. $200. Oh my gosh, guys. With a $200 front on the board. All right, we'll end it on that one. Thanks for watching, guys. I always appreciate your support. All right, here we go. Railroad Riches. Railroad Riches. We have $2,243 left in the machine. We're gonna do a 70-50 bet bonus. Could be anything on this one, and all right. I don't know if you guys have seen this machine before, but yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I've been playing already on a little bit here. That's a 1350 win. But changing up the denominations. All right, change up the denominations on the bets here. Let's try a max bet, 3750 max bet. All right, one more max bet, 3750. Back to 750 bet. Just changing up, see what's gonna happen. Let's see if anything happens on this one. Alright, we're gonna rapid fire through these bets here. Alright, let's go 5 cent denomination. Let's do some $15 bets, 5 cent denomination. That's a $26 win. All right, just change up a little bit. Here we go on the $15 bet, guys. 5 cent denomination, $15 bet. All right, I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, here we go. Railroad Riches. Ow! $200. Oh! $200. $200. $600. Oh yeah! 600. Is that $600, guys? Is that $600? 13,000? Oh yeah! Come on now. Is that $600? All right. My slot neighbor doesn't know what the hell's going on. Come on now. I think that's $600, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Been on this machine for a while. I already filmed a video on this one. Off we go. Come on. We need another train. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Amazing! Unbelievable! Come on now! Unbelievable, guys. Come on now. Come on. I have no clue. I just started playing this machine. I'm learning this machine at the same time as everybody else. Come on now. Oh, yeah! Come on. Yes! Come on! If that's a $600 win, that's absolutely amazing, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Oh, yeah! We got a train right here. Come on now. Well, this is a $15 bet. 5 cent denomination. All right, come on now. Let's do it again. One more training. Oh, yeah! Come on. Come on now. One more train. Come on now. Oh, come on now. All right, here we go. That's 21,000 nickels? Oh, yeah. That's a big one. 21,700 nickels, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. $1,085, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Look at that. $1,085, guys. On a $15 bet. We got $2,900 in the machine. Well, we got to do a few more backup spins. Right, huh? Come on. Ah! All right, you never know. We had to do a few more backup spins, guys, on a $15 bet. All right, here. All right, let's go right underneath it. That was $11.25 bet right underneath the $15 bet. That's a $105 win. We got $3,027 in the machine, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Absolutely wow. All right, so we're doing 11.25 bets. We're doing 11.25 bets. Unbelievable. Come on, bonus! Ah! Unbelievable. All right. We got $2,900 left in the machine. All right, let's change it up. $15 bet, 10-cent denomination. We'll do a few of these. See if we get anything on this one. Oh, here we go. $15 bet. 10-cent denomination. There you go. $15 bet. 10-cent denomination. Come on. Anything? What is that? Anything? Come on. Come on. There we go. $15 bet. 10-cent denomination. Yeah. Come on now. 10-cent denomination, $15 bet, guys. Unbelievable. $92 is the main coin up there. Wow. 3 spins. Unbelievable. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. We need a train. Oh, yeah. We got the train right there. All right, we already went over like 120 or 140 bucks a bet. We need one train. One train, come on. Yes! Oh yeah! Come on now. All right, guys, nothing's impossible. Nothing's impossible. We go! Come on, come on! One more train? Come on now. All right, here we go. Not bad. $15 bet, guys. Unbelievable. All right, well, I stayed recording. You guys got to see it. $170. $170 win, guys. All aboard! $176 win. Well, we got $29.98 in the machine. Unbelievable, guys. It's been an amazing run today. I thank you guys for watching my videos, and I always appreciate your support. Definitely, guys. Definitely. All right, let's do 750 bet max, or this is the minimum bet. 10-cent denomination, 750 bet. We'll do a few of these, and then we'll call it quits. It's a $45 win, guys, on that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, we still have $2,900 left in the machine. Wow. It's been been crazy, man. Crazy. All right, that's a $10 win on that one. 27.50 win on that one. Unbelievable, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. I always appreciate your support. Thank you, guys. Have a fantastic day.